Hello everybody, this is Charlie Lorenz and the purpose of this recording is for this week's assignment where we are supposed to pick a couple different Web 2.0 technologies and do a review of them. The technology I'm going to be using today is what's called Web Whiteboard. And as you can see here, webwhiteboard.com. Some features about it. It is all done through a web browser, so it's a pretty simple off-the-shelf whiteboard. It is free. You have a free trial, so you don't have to log in to do anything like that. And it does have a trial period. I believe it said 21 days. And it also has some integration, as you can see here, with Google Hangouts, so probably for the video collaboration portion of it. So again, how it works is you create a free whiteboard, and as you can see, a blank slate. And you can see I'm free. So it's a simple whiteboard. As you can see here, you can take a pen and do some simple math, or write some different languages, letters, or if you actually have some kind of theory, or building out a different a web thought processes of some sort, you can do that as well. The controller to move this around is very stiff, so I'm sure there's maybe some settings in it as well, and that you can use. To start off with, to collaborate, is what you do is you hit the visibility button. This will provide a link. If you do register, then you'll be able to provide a permanent board or create private boards or read-only boards or so forth. So this seems to be a little bit more within. I did not look at the price, but you would take that link and send it out to whoever you're collaborating with or others, and they'd be able to jump on the whiteboard with you. Some of the features, as you can see right here, it has 4 different color pens, from green to red, blue, and so forth. I don't see anything on how we can change the thickness or any of that. It does have some markers as well. So for a free tool, it's limited in what your capabilities are. It also has an eraser, which is always good in case you make any mistakes. You can easily go over here and start to erase. So other features, it does have a text box, so we are working. And you go back. I don't see how we can. I'm sure there's a feature somewhere on how I can make that bigger, but it seems pretty small. And you have some of these little boxes over here. You can create comments and so forth. So overall, it's a simple set of features, but you are getting it for free. So if you wanted a simple whiteboard, this seems to be the easiest to set up, and send out a link and away we go. It's a limited amount of tools. I did not see any options for any uploading of documents or PDFs or anything we can collaborate on and draw on. So it's very limited in its feature set and scope. But if you do need a simple whiteboard, immediately load it up, get a link, and away we go. We can start going it. So overall, for a collaboration summary of it, as I just said, it's something simple, something we can start up very quickly. However, for teaching lesson plans or using in any teaching or reviewing of a document or something like that, or a PDF putting up there, or a video, it doesn't have any of that capability. So overall, other than the simplicity, I would not recommend this as anything more than just a simple whiteboard. Thank you very much.